Welcome everybody to JonesTV. Welcome to Searchin. This is Jay Jones, and today I'm going to talk about Mac Miller's Clarity, produced by ID Labs. Alright, this is from the Macadelic mixtape that came out in 2012. ID Labs, they used a program called Arturia Prophet 5.2. It has to be 2. If you go to Prophet 5V, Prophet 5.3, then it's not going to be in there. Okay, first, you go into the Pro High Bank. After that, you go to keyboards. And in keyboards, you go to RJ Vocal Noise. And then you start playing the keys to it. And that was the main melody for Mac Miller's Clarity. Okay. Hit the like and subscribe button. Enjoy the other shows on JonesTV, such as Jones Factory and DCW. And I'm out.